Rangbah ke jela kurat sangma negasngi habai kren bat kinong tho kubor halor Lokayukta wala Pynshai pajba da ka baong ba ke jingtung bujli ya ke ophisar ke badon ha ka kam kadai ka balale katkum ki kandon kami kalya Lokayukta bat ulaong ba ulong bala kloi bini kynduh lani banyak kren halor kani kamat bat kynduh kiseng san perthei ba kinya shai bha halor kani Ulaong ru ba naduk basdang habathung yu director of inquiry amsum labur ranti ya ki kendon kabamut bala shule tang ban penbet tang na kabanta shipor knang ban yu sedang no ya jingtrai kam jong ka mekhalaya Lokayukta khamtam nomar khamduna ki officer ibadon ha ka kerdan secretary sheneng kumta ulaong ba kum ka jing penbet ka shipor lale ya kani ha ka bal penkre al paru ban thungbet daki officer ke badon ha ka kerdan secretary sheneng but kala simpor sisnem banyo ya ki officer ke bakiu sha ka kerdan secretary ula benrabru da ka baong ba la dathung da ki officer ke badang don ha ka kam kawei ka benta ka long ba ka jing siuru kam don namar kidai ke baladon ha ka kam rela dathung da ki officer ke bala shongthan ka sarkar ka haban mang pisa kerpang bat hapen lut na ka benta jungki ban siu ya kutulop ka jungki Habakali halor kejing ya kynduh berkeseng san perthei VPP Myntri Rangbah ulong bala kloi bani kynduh banyak keren halor kani la kadai bat kino keseng san perthei.
Just many times. The provisions under which the person earlier, the director of inquiries was appointed, the rules were not followed. In the sense that it was a temporary arrangement because we needed to immediately start the work. We had, in the sense, some shortage of officials working because it has to be a officer of a secretary level and above, and hence we had a bit of an issue in the sense we had shortage of officers. So we decided at that point in time that we will, as a temporary arrangement, go for a retired officer, which is not as per the rules, and hence to rectify that and to make it regularize that, we have followed the rules which says that it has to be an officer of the rank of a secretary. Number 2 point is that when we appoint a person who is retired, then government takes additional expenditure. If it's a serving officer, there is no expenditure because he or she gets a salary. But additional retired person means we have to spend from our own side. And hence it was in the interest of the rules to be followed and in interest of the expenditure for the state that this post be regularized. We were working on it to regularize it very much before this, but then later on it took us about a year and a half almost, but we have regularized the process. So this is purely as per the rules and procedures that need to be followed.
Will you meet the political party?
See, we are very open. Whoever is there, if anybody wants to meet, they can come and meet.
Kindly update us on the border talks, sir. Border talks.
I had a meeting yesterday with Mr. Sharma in Guwahati. We sat down, we discussed. It was a very unofficial meeting. We had breakfast together. There was nothing much in detail on any official discussion. But we had a very long chit chat about many issues, including the border aspect. Of course, there were many activities going on in the past few weeks and months, so hence we could not make much visits this side. So we are working on it. In about a week's time, I will let you know that what will be the next level of talks and meets we'll have, and maybe even physical visits that we make.